रोड नंबर 62 सूक अल अरब, ये जोन नंबर 4 में आता. ओके, सो आवर कैंप इज 55/62, which means 55 is the number of the camp, 62 is the number of the road on which the camp is located. Okay, now let me give you an example. अभी तक जो रोड देखे, that is the road which is goes to Jamarat and to Makkah. So now here, this is the name of the camp 42, this is the name of the street 62. That means this road is 62 and this camp which you just saw is 43. Now as we walk a little further, I will show you another camp where the number has increased by 1 but the road number is intact. So that is, we are now at camp 43/62. So this is camp 43/62 and this is Maktab 132. Okay, so as we go forward, we will reach camp 55, which is in Maktab 16, or called Service Center 16. So that is where our camp is. For some of the telecom enthusiasts, look at the number of towers and signals that they have kept for the connectivity of the pilgrims. MashaAllah, great infrastructure. Here we have some more structures, and now we have come to the tent 46. This is 46/62. Okay, 9 more to go on that side. So what we have here is the camps are divided into even number blocks and odd number blocks. On the right side are odd number blocks, on the left side are all even number blocks. Okay, and you see the volunteers enjoying their bike rides as they zip past, enjoying the rides themselves. MashaAllah, very enthusiastic people who strive very hard during the daytime and get some free time in the night for themselves, typically 2 to 3 hours in this nice cool weather. Okay, this is good. Now here we have a typical common WC or western commodes or toilets or bath areas. This is where a lot of people can take their showers and come back outside of their camp. So it is not within their camp. So these are the large banners that we see, and we see nice people enjoying their sitting time, having a nice break and relaxing, praying namaz, relaxing, doing everything. This mostly looks like a Indonesian curve, and this is Maktab 13 for the Indian pilgrims. You can see a lot of Indian pilgrims at even 11:30 in the night, just sitting on the outside having a nice talk and conversation with their similar age group people and spending time. No matter where you go, Indians are Indians and they really like spending time with their people in a common area. So the chabutar or the bench, which is typically found on the roadside, you see many makeshift chabutars on either side of the road, which Indians very comfortably have made it their sitting place in the evening time, enjoying it. Okay, this is 14, camp number 14, Maktab 14 here, camp 51/62. The last tea shop to be open here, lights with the red and green. Okay, this is where they have their last cup of tea of the evening and coffee or anything, and then close for the day. We are now approaching very close to our tent. 53 on the left. Right. This is our Maktab 15 or Center 15. Very close is going to come Camp 55/62, which is our camp. And this video helps me record the memories of my Mina journey of Hajj 2026, and it's a great memory which I would like to preserve for a lifetime. And this video is going to be a proof or testament of that. There you can see on the top, nice breeze also.
You have arrived.
55/62, which is our camp. And now we see all the sanitation activities happening. People cleaning up things, ensuring that they're all good and done. Camp 52 on my right. And finally, Camp 55. We have reached our camp. This is our camp, Maktab 16th. And we are all welcomed by some kitchen here. Very nice open kitchen. So we have some biscuits, peanuts, mixture, and cold water, supposedly in cream, right? And this is the Itra Al Khair. They are our caretakers who are going to help. Here is the health center. You see the rush? That is the health center where people can come and consult for their medical activities. And here we go further to our camp. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So tea is available. People can use most of the time of the day. Tea is available. Water is kept cooled and done. Some more tea, some more water available. And then we have the Hajis who are having their late night gathering. Okay. This is where some of the people are. This is where I go. Landmark here. And this narrow alley leads me to my room or hall where you all gathered to sleep. This is where we are. Signing off. Bye bye.